Hi everybody. I want to spend a little time, if I can, just doing a couple of sections on a guy named Alexander. And Alexander appears in what we know of as the Hellenistic period, the sort of last period of ancient Greece. But it's significant because this last period transforms into the period that Rome uses when we talk about ancient Rome coming up in our next unit. So this is sort of the post-classical period of ancient Greece and the rise of this Hellenistic period. And it's characterized by this figure named Alexander. And Alexander comes from a little sort of rocky outcropping to the north of Greece called Macedonia. And Alexander was a good student as a young man. His father ended up ultimately hiring a good tutor for him. The tutor's name was Aristotle, who we talked about previously. He was a very good student, but not only was he a good student, he ended up being a better military general, one of the most famous really in history. So ultimately Alexander becomes known as Alexander the Great. And Alexander, his father's name was Philip, and Philip ultimately was killed, and Alexander took over for him.